Hi, this is Nick from Soya Chin Chow. Ray's away for a couple of days on break, so I'll be taking over ICYMI for a short bit. On today's episode, we're talking about the new GoPro Hero 8 Black, some new bone conduction headphones from AfterShokz, and Analogue TV being shut down in Malaysia. Curious for more details? Keep watching. The GoPro Hero 8 Black sits in a modular accessory ecosystem, which means that you can now add on accessories onto the action camera. This includes a media mod, which allows for a shotgun mic, a light mod, and a display mod, which all add a fair bit of versatility to the action camera, at a price, however. The new Hero 8 Black also features the updated HyperSmooth 2.0, which offers gimbal-like stability for your video shots. And GoPro also says that HyperSmooth 2.0 is supported in all resolutions and frame rates. There's also Time Warp 2.0 that automatically adjusts the speed of the footage based on data from the camera, and GoPro has also added an option to tap the touchscreen mid-time warp recording to slow down to real time and again to speed back up. Pre-orders for the GoPro Hero 8 Black start from the 10th of October to the 20th of October for 1,879 ringgit at GoPro concept stores. Unfortunately, we can't confirm local pricing for the mods right now, although pre-orders for the add-ons will be available in December of 2019. Bone conduction headphones aren't the most common thing to hear about, but two new models from specialist brand AfterShokz are now available in Malaysia. The AfterShokz Aero Packs and AfterShokz Cross Trainers are now available at authorized retailers in Malaysia at prices of 739 ringgit and 699 ringgit respectively. So the way bone conduction headphones work, small traducers vibrate to transmit sound waves through your cheekbones, totally bypassing your eardrums. The main difference between the Aero Packs and the Cross Trainers is that the latter has 4 gigs of onboard memory to store songs, while the Aero Packs has to be connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth to play music. The Cross Trainers comes with an IP68 water resistance rating, which means that it can be submerged in 2 meters of water for up to 2 hours, while the Aero Packs can be submerged for 30 minutes in 1 meter of water. They both come with 8 hours of battery life, and AfterShokz says that you can still maintain positional awareness, which means that you can still hear what's going on around you while you're listening to music. From first impressions, they sound pretty decent for bone conduction headphones, but still, they can't compare in terms of quality to more conventional headphones. With the Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Commission earlier announcing a complete switchover from analog TV to digital TV by the end of October, the switchover process has begun. The central and southern regions in Peninsular Malaysia completed its transition on the 1st of October, with analog TV completely shut off in the Klang Valley and southern states in Malaysia. Users will need to switch to digital terrestrial television by getting a DVB-T2 decoder box and a supported UHF antenna. For those using newer LCD TVs with IDTV built in, you can set it up immediately by tuning digital channels on your TV. Digital TV offers viewers better image and audio quality compared to traditional analog signals. And another interesting takeaway is that you get interactive services and an electronic program guide, which isn't available on analog TV right now. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro is set to be launched in Malaysia, and it's already known that the flagship will not come with Google mobile services out of the box. There's been a third-party workaround suggested that lets you install Google apps and services by installing an APK file. This was available at lzplay.net, where you'd install an APK to enable Google mobile services. But the bad news for potential Mate 30 users is that this website is no longer accessible. Even if you get your hands on the APK file, it won't work anymore, with a connection error displayed instead. That's not terrific news for potential Mate 30 buyers, and it's worth noting that there are security concerns with third-party workarounds such as this. Android security researcher John Wu explained that while sideloading Google mobile services for Chinese devices is common, a backdoor like this is susceptible to malicious tampering. He further concluded that Huawei is well aware of this LZ Play app, and they explicitly allowed its existence. That said, Huawei has replied that Huawei's latest Mate 30 series is not pre-installed with GMS, and Huawei has had no involvement with lzplay.net. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this episode of ICYMI, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated on any future videos. If you want to watch the last episode of ICYMI, click here. Or if you want to watch another cool video, click here. So that's all for now. Bye!